Well, hello everybody. I'm gonna give you an update on what we got done over here and show you what's left to do yet. But let me flip the phone around and I'll show you. So we got all the limbs trimmed above there. I still got a lot of cleanup to do, but it looks so much better not having all those limbs hanging over. And then we cut this tree down that was hanging over the roof. That was causing us issues. And then the same thing on the other side. We trimmed the branches that were overhanging the house. But if you look way back yonder, you see all that stuff? That's all the limbs that we drug back with the tractor, and now I gotta cut them up and throw them on the burn pile back there. Clean it up. But I had to take a day off. I'm over here again today trying to do a little bit, but I may just go back and rest my leg. So anyway, wanted to give you an update. So y'all have a good day and take care. God bless.